vamos a hacerlo. Este dura más, vale.
Hybrid sports. Are you born with playing the same sports all the time? Try hybrid sports. Hybrid sports are games with rules from two or more different sports or and activities. Football teams. This sport is popular in the countries of Czech Republic and Slovakia, where is United States 1920s. You need two players and one team kicks the ball over the knee and the other team kicks or hits it back. You can use your hands. Chess boxing. There are chess boxing uh, compet- competitions and clubs in China, India, Iran, Italy, Russia, Germany, Mexico, Turkey, and the United States. Chess, chess boxers have to be strong and intelligent. There, there are there are 11 rounds of 3 minutes. You have to play chess for 6 of the end box for 5. Juggling. You can go running, biking, swimming, and now you can go jogging. You have to run and juggling 3 or more objects at the same time. You can drop the objects like the word juggling.